Pat, I'm really enjoying the way that you're filming and I'm filming and stuff like that. Do you want me to make any comments about how we could film certain sequences, or would you rather I kept my opinions to myself?
No, I take all.
Alpha male. I don't want you thinking that guy just wouldn't fucking.
No, I'll take anything. Okay. I'll take any.
Because you've got the gear and everything. Oh, look, you filmed me giving advice.
It's all good. Thank you. I would like to go up there so I could film, but that's neither here nor there. Grip it and rip it, baby. Oh shit, you guys stopped. King Richard. Oh, you had that. You got this. All day long, you got it. Give it the gas. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Go, 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 go. Success.
Adios, Castillo Bobonte. Until next time.
Hola. Bios con Dios, my darling. To the monastery. Oh, that's another glorious day, gentlemen. We are day 3 into our journey. Just left that castle, small little village. It's fantastic. That hotel was awesome. Yeah, it was nice to get a good warm-up on the roads like this, baby. Well, I tell you what, these flowers look beautiful amongst the landscaping here. Yeah, it's a beautiful morning. Look at that landscape. Oh, I gotta go there.
Got everybody?
We got everybody. That was just to get the rest of us to stop on the hill going up the yeah. Especially King Richard, I'm sure he likes those. Yeah, look at that view back on the top of there. No, though, Greg, I got a feeling, Dan, correct me, but I got a feeling a lot, you know, it's just like U.S. Not a lot of GS owners venture out in this shit. I mean, we're the oddballs of everybody that takes our big bikes and rides them off-road. Like, we would be loving this on our big bikes. There's so much of me that just wants to knock King Richard out and just take his bike. Yeah, this is awesome down here in this little, I don't know, cavern or whatever you want to call it, man. This is awesome. Is this like a riverbed or what? Seems like it. I like that way you said that. I think I'm going to stand up. Nah, maybe not. Yeah, this has got to be a riverbed down through here. I would think.
It's the secret valley.
Yeah. Is that like a riverbed?
Yeah, in storm it will be. Right.
That was perfect.
So continuing the project of running an unofficial film school at the same time as the trip and unofficial history club, you can see through here the remnants of the 14th century monastery that we're about to visit. Now this, if we were making a film about the week, this is what I would call a sequence. Okay, forgive me for taking up valuable tour time with the mansplaining. So Matt, with your blessing, you and I are going to shoot a sequence about this, and we're going to, it won't add much time to the visit. I'm very good at doing this quickly. So the opening shot, without any words or commentary, tells us basically what's about to happen. It shouldn't be mysterious, okay? And then the closing shot tells us that the sequence that we've just watched is now finished.
What? Give us a second. You're supposed to be single file. You're supposed to be single file, and you roll right past us, and then you all stop, spread out, get off your bikes, and look at it. Okay, all right. Hold on. Do not go anywhere yet. Do not come yet.
That's what she said.
This is where they should do it.
Okay.
But it's going to be silhouette. Right. Tell them there's a slight change.
Slight change.
They're going to come up from behind us, stop and look.
All right, you guys are going to stay on your bikes with all the looking gestures of the monastery, because the way the slope is. No, stop, stop, stop. Stay on their bikes, pull up, and then just take a look around like you're really looking at everything.
People, work with me, work with me.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Slow down, slow down. You're supposed to cross in front of one another. You did not. That's a fox. It's a fox. Oh yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool up there, huh? The nomadic conquistadors. Oh yeah, look how beautiful that is. Nice shots, nice shots. Oh yeah, just some beautiful scenery, gentlemen. This is what we came to do. Victor, Roger. Oh, okay. Oh shit, I cut that too close and ran into a bush going around that corner. Wow. Did you guys get a chance to look back into there? Holy cow. Man, it's beautiful.
Okay, just going to get a shot here in the Garden of Gethsemane. Don't worry, none of you will have to kiss me and then betray me. Oh, bloody hell, we lost the sun. Obviously, forests are great for filtered light.
You got this, Tom. He's got his rain gear on.